body. What is that? How do you go outside like?
No, I actually work out now for stress. I have like a company and I have kids and a husband. So
So you're basically...
and my job feels like another kid. So I basically have 4 children.
Yeah.
I watch TV. I have to listen to really loud hip hop.
Yeah.
And I like to be distracted, and So I need it all.
It's
I
so
need all
boring.
the
Working
stimulation.
out is so boring.
Can I tell you something? Thank you.
Loyal fan. Leftovers.
So funny.
Yeah, and then your meal. So it's even more important
To work out.
Mac and cheese. It's all just so good, even cold.
But I'm glad.
So it's even more important. I do like hot yoga. I do running on the treadmill. I try to work out with my friends, like anything.
Make it fun.
Just make it fun because it's so boring. And I watch Michael and Kelly.
Yes, that's what I
We
like
do
to
at least once a week. We like to have a date night. Sometimes we sit on the couch and watch
A date night
TV
with each other.
With each other.
Yeah.
Yes, it's so fun.
The Rose Bowl. I didn't go. I
mean-
didn't want to intimidate B.
Working girl in the in show business.
She's a monster.
She's amazing, and he's so cool, and his swagger and his music. It's so fun.
And I want
stuff with grown-ups. Basically, we do stuff with grown-ups, and so we had a grown-up game night.
Have you met Whitney?
Yes, together.
You said grown-ups. When you met Whitney?
Who's the best liar? Is kind of the game.
Right. And you're
the first movie, she's this like innocent, sweet girl. And Bruce Willis's character saves her. She's like this damsel in distress. And then you pick up in this movie, and she's this crazy, sad girl who is trying to find her strength to avenge the death of her great love, which is Bruce Willis. And in the end, she kicks a lot of butt.
Ooh.
That's all.
Sin City was really groundbreaking. It came out about 10 years ago, and it was super groundbreaking.
10 years
Yeah, that's wild.
And this is even like the next level. You've never seen anything like it. It's beautiful, it's artistic, it's 3D, the action is crazy, the guys are smoking hot, the chicks are bad in the best kind of way.
You sold me.
Did you have to practice like
I'm not a dancer, and I'm certainly not an exotic dancer, so I had to do, some training to try and look like
You're really
I wasn't. I had like a crossbow, so I had to like shoot a crossbow. It was fun because I'm a mom with kids and a company, and I never get to be a badass.
But you wear...
It's with the costume designer, and we did wigs and outfits, and I did like 6 different dances, and so they're sprinkled throughout
Did
the
Cash
movie.
ever say, baby, bring...
There were some moves I just wasn't sure. I'm like, is this taking it too far? And he's like, no, it's good. To see women kicking butt, you'll love this movie.
Everybody. All right, coming up next, Patrick J. Adams.